Traders, it's Chris here at thetradingmentors.com. Hope you are well today. I wanted to do a quick video for people who, first of all, are curious about gold on steroids in particular. Lots of questions coming through, understandably, how it works, why it works, how you get it and how you can profit, and the package that it comes with so that you're clear. So, first of all, my name's Chris, I'm head trader, I've been trading for 30 years, and this is one of the systems that I commonly use where the price has gone too far. In other words, it's overstretched, it's gone up too much too quickly, and therefore it becomes a reversal or at least a correction for some profits. So let me first of all explain how it works. And you're going to see lots of smiley faces, including mine, which is unusual. I don't like being in front of the camera, to be fair. But here we are. And I'm going to run through this 30-minute chart. We always use a 30-minute chart. You can dial down if you want to. But to start with, I would recommend 30-minute chart with the settings that you see here. Now, one of the things to notice here is this red dot and this green dot. These are what we call the channel, and they act as support and resistance at the top. Fairly straightforward, nothing unusual about that, except there's one thing that this channel does, very similar to the Bollinger Band, but actually 10 times better. And I'll show you that now. So whenever the price comes out of the channel, that indicates the price has gone too far, too quickly. And there's likely to be at least a correction, if not a complete reversal. So that's the first thing. So look out for the smiley faces as we go along the chart. So here's one here. Notice how it's broken down below the support line, the green dash, and that's an immediate reversal. Completely. I don't know how many pips are there. Probably 200 or 300 there. So let's go back. So you won't probably get these every day. It's sort of what, 2 or 3 times a week maybe. But sometimes they come along like buses and all come in a row. But here's another one here. Notice this here. Hitting a support area at the same time. And if you get that, then it's a no-brainer. Sniper entries, I think people call them. But hey ho, modern day language. And as you can see, it reversed completely. We got 92 pips there, 3-to-1 risk to reward. Fantastic, but could have had a lot more. And I'll show you how you can actually grab all those pips once you sign up, that is. So here's another one here, smiley face. Outside the channel, reversal or correction, whatever you see. What is that? 101 pips. Another one here, didn't get that one. So another one here, there's 2 there. So there's one here to the top, reversal, one at the bottom, reversal. Now why does this work so well? And I'll tell you, because the market is manipulated. Now what I mean by that, institutions, I used to work for institutions many years ago, and I would get a bundle of stops in my inbox every morning before London Open. And I would know exactly where the stops were for most people across the world. And what's really useful about that is that the institutions take the stops out. That's how it works. That's life. But what will be happening with the dumb money will be buying here at this very top because they see the price going up. But they don't know what we know and what you will know. All right? So the institution is going to start to take the stops out from that. And especially if it's on an order block, which it probably was at that stage. So here again, the dumb money will be selling the market here, not knowing that it's overdone too quickly and beyond this channel. They won't have the channel, of course, only you'll have this. And of course, another one here. They don't want to miss out on this big move now. It's had a break of structure here, but we know different. Okay, and so that's how it works. So the market's manipulating others, 90% of the market, to actually buy gold here. sell gold here, buy gold here. But we know different, and so we will sell gold, do the exact opposite to the majority of the market. We will sell here, we will buy here. We will sell here, we will buy here, and so on. So you get the picture. So the most important thing when you start, the one thing you must focus on, and it doesn't happen all the time, is the price being overextended, gone down too fast, too quickly, and now is an opportunity to buy. Now, for the package, I'll give you the video coaching, which shows you how to upload these indicators onto your chart through TraderView. You need TradingView Pro Plus. That's the first thing. But the package is really important because you get 3 months coaching. That's the valuable bit. So, for instance, whenever I see a position overextended, I'll look at it on my phone wherever I am or whatever. I'll pop it into Gold on Steroids Telegram. There's a separate Telegram room just for Gold on Steroids, because if I send this out to the VIP room, or there's another room with a load of people in, they won't have a clue what the hell's going on. So it's really for coaching you to get into the position, get your chart ready. And remember, we're not a signal service. It's not something we do. There's loads of them around, 10 a penny. But very few people have the coaching service with 30 years experience, and that's what I'm offering. Now, with that bundle, you get, as I say, access to the VIP room free for a year. You get access to this, the Gold on Steroids room for 3 months. You get DVA free for 3 months, saves you 90 quid. It all counts, doesn't it, at the end of the day? And you get me. If you want more advice along the way, then I'm here for you. You can message me in Telegram, you can email me and ask questions along the way. So that's the package. At the end of this video, there is a link if you want to start. I can get you started immediately and get you trading gold. Before I do, let me just pop into my account, my MT4 account, and just, ugly mug, and just to give you the heads up, these are the results for the last week or so, 2 weeks in fact. And as you can see, gold on steroids is the answer. And if you want to make 500 bucks a day, whatever it might be, on average, then this is the answer, and we can make your dreams come true. So click on the link at the back if you're interested. If you're not, that's fine. And we'll get together and start you trading gold.